going for a walk.
What's this thing called again? Bolson.
I forget the name of this park. Huestra? We're gonna do a quick walk before we go out to early dinner. Sunday fun day.
See it? You get the shade? We are at
La Fogata.
Does it say on here?
I don't
It
know.
doesn't say on here. La Fogata. Yeah.
That was fast. Look at this patio area.
I just noticed they have all those colored lights out there too.
There's a lot of stuff out here to do. I guess while you're waiting for your table. We're doing the stereotypical San Antonio Tex-Mex day. So we're going to try some Tex-Mex. I've never been here. Dan has been here 20 years ago at a different location. So we're going to try it. I think I'm going to get mole. You're going to get enchiladas.
I think I'm going enchiladas.
Enchiladas. And we're going to get some tequila because, hello, we're at a Mexican restaurant. Not margaritas though because they're usually too sweet. So we do tequila on the rocks, a little salt on the rim, and some limes on the side so we can kind of put some lime juice in it. How is it? Is it spicy?
Not spicy, but it's got a good flavor.
I like spicy. Look how beautiful this is. And
Looks really good.
this is the Altos 100% blue agave tequila, which I've had it before. I really like it. They put a little salt on the rim so we can make it kind of like a skinny margarita. Dan got the same thing.
It's gonna be good.
And we just ordered some guac. This is how you do it.
Show me how to do it. Do it the right way.
Squeeze the lime in.
One of them or all of them?
Depends on how well you want them. You might want all. I might just do one or two.
I'm gonna do two to start. Was I not supposed to put it in there?
Oh, you can. I'm going to use a straw to stir it up.
I got little pieces in there. I'm famished over here.
Better slow it down because some guac is coming up. That's what it looks like. Look at that flower. They made it look so nice. They made it nice. Dorinda.
I'm gonna make it nice.
Cheers.
Mmm. That's some good stuff. I don't care who you are.
It's a very good tequila.
You might have 4 or 5 of these.
I went ahead and put one more lime in mine. But this is like, the way you get it, it's more like you get that margarita-ness without getting all the sweetness, because I don't really like sweet at all. So this way I get it, it's like a fresh, refreshing margarita without the sweet. It's just like lime and tequila, salt, and it's a perfect combo.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers. This was just prepared right here tableside. Looks amazing. I didn't record it being made because I didn't want to make him feel uncomfortable by putting him on camera, but it looks delicious. And I'm going to eat all of that.
I am.
Coming soon. Dan's reaction.
Coming soon.
Coming soon. So good.
That was so good.
So simple and So delicious. Went ahead and got some more of these because these are amazing. I ate almost all of that one, but Dan even ate some.
I love it.
They're really hot. I mean, they're like the right amount of hot. They have the right amount of spice.
Yeah, they're not set you on fire hot, but it's got a nice, good heat to it.
Yeah.
I do love spicy things. Sometimes they don't love me back.
I will eat anything spicy. I love spicy. The spicier, the better. So I'm gonna eat all of those peppers. I love it. Dan got.
I got the enchiladas verdes, chicken in there with their verde sauce and sour cream and.
I got the chicken mole. Chicken with mole sauce, rice and beans. About to dig in and try it out. Wow. This mole is so good. The sauce is slightly sweet, but super seasoned and like extremely flavorful. The chicken breast is like super moist and tender. It's not like chewy or stringy or anything. It goes perfectly with the extra peppers that we got. Dan, what's yours?
Oh my gosh, it's so good. I got the verdes. This sauce is so tangy and it's just deliciousness.
It is. I tried it. It's amazing. We'll definitely be back here. As you can tell, I didn't like it. It's perfect with those peppers. How many of those peppers did I eat? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's just all the stems that I ate. 1, 2, 3. We're taking one home with Dan's leftovers. Dan just had a whole pepper.
Man, that one was really warm.
The one that I was eating over here with my mole, I gave him a bite, and he said it's good.
That was really hot.
He's taking his home.
I'm trying to be good.
I wasn't good at all, and I'm probably going to end up eating all of that too before we leave because it's so good. The sauce is a little bit sweet, but with these peppers, the spice and the sweet and flavorfulness of this, it just works really, really well together. Without the peppers, I would probably say it was a little too sweet. It needs something to like spice it up. But I would definitely eat it again. But I would also like to try a couple other things on the menu that I saw.
We'll try some of their tacos or maybe their sopas.
Dan's mouth is on fire from the pepper that he was eating.
That one was hot.
I thought it was just right. It was really good. He's sweating now. But I really liked it. I would come back here again and again. I think we may have found a new little spot. And it's right next to Silo. Oh, we can't see that way. Silo, the Oyster Terrace, is right over here, which is another place that we love, that we come to a lot. And this is owned by the same restaurant group that Silo is. And it shows. I mean, the food here is spot on. Service is really great. Everything is really good.
Really good. I might have to dig into this a little bit more, maybe.
Take another bite.
After I had some of my little foo-foo tequila drink,
Your tongue's on fire.
just a little bit of my cheek inside tried to kill me.
Pretty drinks on.
I'm ready to try out that dessert.
We just ordered a tres leches cake for dessert. They say it's really, really good here, and let's try it. I don't know how much of it we'll get to eat, but
I'm guessing it's going to be really good.
I'm sure it's going to be really good.
Be too good. And then I'm going to eat it all. Oh dear.
This just arrived.
Oh man.
It looks really good. Go in for it, Henry.
There it goes.
It's so good.
It is so good. That's good. So, Tres leches. You see what you think?
Oh gosh, I got a lot.
Try it out. What do you think? When you're speechless?
It's super, super good.
How can that not be good? So you'd order it again?
Oh yeah. You gotta see these layers. So it's soaked in the milk. I think it's focusing. But the top layers are not like super mushy. The top layer has like a little bit of a texture. And then you get the more like puddingness at the bottom where all the milks are. And then they have this super airy light whipped cream on the top. Chocolate drizzle, raspberry drizzle. And I think the raspberry drizzle is what really sets it over the top. It gives it that little pop of like berry and like a tartness.
The tartness.
That really just works. And then that's what happened. It's gone.
Then we should order another one.
I don't even care that I'm overly full right now. I'm so happy.
That was so good.
So good.